So this is how it's described. So this is called log base b of y. Right? And the way that this relates is if we were to say that that expression is equal to x, it is the inverse of the exponential expression or equation, b. It's the inverse of the exponential expression b to the x is equal to y. And so these are inverses. And so in working through these inverses, it allows you to rewrite expressions between either of these forms. So you can rewrite, or you can write something in a logarithmic form, or you can write it in exponential form. And now, for you guys, you should be more familiar with exponential form. And so if you're given something, the easiest way to evaluate it is going to be to rewrite it as the exponent. And so let's take a look at how you could rewrite some of these forms. Okay, so if we take log base 10 of 1,000 is equal to 3, what we can do is we can rewrite this in exponential form. And the way that you do that is you take the base of your log, that's a 10, that becomes the base of your exponent. And then you take it to the power of whatever it's set equal to, the actual value of the whole log expression. So this whole log expression has a value of 3, so 10 to the third, and that's going to equal the number that's inside your log. And now, is this a true statement? Is 10 cubed equal to 1,000? Yeah, and that's a statement that you're more familiar with, right? So you can take a logarithmic form, rewrite it in exponential form, and it makes a little more sense to you. Okay, so let's take a look at another log form. So log base 4 of 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so what would be the exponential form of this? Take the base of our log, becomes the base of our power, or exponent, so 4 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Is that a true statement? Yeah. And in fact, the log base anything of 1 is always going to equal 0 for this reason right here. All right, so try this one on your own here, just really quickly. Log base 9 of the fraction 1 over 81 is equal to negative 2. Okay, so rewrite that in exponential form, please. Okay, so we're going to take for our exponent, our base is 9 to the power of negative 2, and that's going to equal our fraction 1 over 81. All right, does everybody see how you can move between those forms? Okay, we can move the other direction as well if we needed to. Okay, so if we started with 5 squared is equal to 25, and we wanted to write this as a log, we would take log, what would be the base of our log? Base of the log is the same as the base of the exponent, so 5. And then think about how we have this. So we set it up, the log base of is whatever the whole value is. So we take our power, and that becomes our value, so 2. And then we take what's the value of our exponent becomes the inside part of our log, so 25 is inside.